Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian monthly, I still think this is like an impulsive move to the downside, probably like a wave A or wave 1. I think this is an ABC up, like a wave 2 or a wave B, and I think we're going down for either a wave C, which a wave C would probably go down to the 100%, or a wave 3, which a wave 3 would just keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a correction. I think this is like impulsive down wave 1. I think this is ABC up wave 2. I still believe that this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3, and I think it's just going to keep on going down. Whether it's a wave 3 of 3 or whether it's a wave 3 of C, we're just going to have to watch and learn. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up looks very, very overlapping, and on this time frame, it actually looks like a pretty clear ABC correction. Shorter time frames, it just looks like one big overlapping mess. But we are at the 50% Fibonacci level, so if it does make an impulsive move down, I think that's going to be the end of a correction, probably a correction to this last wave down, and I think it's all just subdivisions of a big wave 3, and it most likely will continue to make lower lows and lower highs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like an impulsive downtrend, and it kind of looks like it still could be some sort of like a WXY and then possibly like an XZ pattern. We are definitely turning at the 50% Fibonacci level, as you can see. I think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a big ABCD pattern, like an ABCDE or a WXYXZ pattern. Either way, doesn't matter. I think that there's a very good likelihood this is going to now end the correction and most likely continue the downtrend. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I really want to see a break of structure to really confirm that this is the end of a correction, but by the looks of it, it is probably going to break structure, and then if it makes a pullback, at the end of that pullback, I think is going to be the much safer entry to go short, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So if you do see it break structure, and then you see a pullback, I would definitely be trying to get in on pullbacks at that point, and maybe even end up building a position on the way down, potentially for the continuation of a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.